Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad with international news around the world. COVID-19 positivity rate in Pakistan rises to 3%. According to the National Command and Operations Center data, 46 more people lost their lives, lifting the nationwide fatalities to 21,874. Pre-monsoon rains. The Civil Aviation Authority issues alert for Karachi Airport. The Civil Aviation Authority has issued an alert for Jinnah International Airport after Pakistan Meteorological Department has forecast heavy rainfall in Karachi from June 17 to 19 under the influence of the pre-monsoon system. China disease expert says COVID-19 origins probe should shift to US. A senior Chinese expert said the United States should be the priority in the next phase of investigations into the origin of COVID-19 after a study showed the disease should have been circulating there as early as December 2019. Biden-Putin hail positive talks, but US wants on cyber warfare. Joe Biden and Putin sought to cool tensions in the combustible US-Russian relationship at their first summit on Wednesday, but the US president drew a red line at cyber attacks, declaring them off limits. Myanmar village burned after fighting. Residents blame security forces. Security forces set ablaze a village in central Myanmar after clashing there with opponents of the ruling junta, leaving at least 2 elderly people burned to death. AstraZeneca hits setback in trials of COVID-19 drug. AstraZeneca on Tuesday said that the trials it had been running to develop a treatment for coronavirus has failed to bear fruit. European Union envoy foresees surge in Afghan violence. European Union's special envoy for Afghanistan on Wednesday warned of surge of violence in Afghanistan and emphasized the urgent need for the warning sides to make progress in their talks at Doha. Palestinian woman shot dead by Israeli troops near Jerusalem. Israeli forces have shot a Palestinian woman dead for attempting to carry out a car ramming attack northeast of Jerusalem, according to the Israeli army. This is end of today's international news. Take care of yourself and stay tuned with CID News Network, Islamabad.